Looking for a detached home with in-ground pool less than $1 million in Brampton? Welcome to 370 Hansen Road North in the Medoc area. It's a 3-bedroom, 3-washroom home with finished basement and parking for 2 cars on the driveway. It has been fully renovated and ready to move in. Let's check it out. This home is minutes to shops, eateries, and schools. It is surrounded by trails for walking or biking, offering many leisure routes to parks, stores, and recreation centers. With easy highway access and GO station, it offers the perfect city escape while only being 35 minutes from Toronto's downtown core. Call me now to book your private showing before it's too late.